So we just drove pretty far to help Gabe's friend who broke down about an hour and a half away from us, and looks like we got some company. Alright, he's leaving. Probably just making sure we weren't dead. There is never an uneventful day for us. We're always doing something. Ooh. Somewhere by Ohio, edge of Indiana.
Showtime!
We are headed to our friend Biggs's house. Hi, puppy. Hi.
Hi.
Aww. Hi. Oh. Of course, they always like Gabe more. Hi. Yes. Now we're taking some pictures and some thumbnails. Woo!
You know whose truck that is?
Who?
It used to be a lady by the name of Diesel Queen.
You think so?
She was kind of a big deal back in the day. And then I showed up.
You were in love with her.
No, I was not.
Yes, you were.
No.
Uh-huh.
No, I really like that truck.
I need you guys to tell Gabe that a truck the same color as his dually would not look good with pink suspension.
Yes, it would.
No, it wouldn't. Diesel Queens.
Which was a coincidence, like I just saw for sale.
Why do you think that that would look good with pink suspension?
Well, it's not the same color that I thought it was, but...
And your color dually would not look good pink.
Yes, it would.
No. Now that we've had breakfast,
2 in the afternoon.
I think it's like 1:30. We're at Logan's to do some stuff. We're actually doing stuff today. No, we're... Your truck's never gonna be done.
Okay. I'll just buy another one.
When you buy a daily for your daily.
You buy a truck, right? Because your other truck's being built. And then you break that truck and decide to build that truck. So you have to buy another truck for that truck.
And
then
he's literally trying to buy another truck.
I'm gonna build
right now.
the truck that I buy, so that I'm gonna need another truck. I'm gonna end up having like 10 trucks by the end of the year, and none of them run because they're all getting built.
Oh my god! I just started Gabe's truck, and it was kind of interesting.
I'm currently...
Oh, why, thank you. Ugh. How you doing it?
What? Yeah, you actually have to like look. Yeah.
Alright, let's do a cold start. It's snowing like the tiniest bit. Yeah. We're at Bump and Grind. Gabe's checking out. Oh, we do be foggy in here, huh? It is time, for I am going to start the 12 valve. Are you coming? Ah. It's so touchy! Wow. I will not be getting mine done like this because those are hard to clean, and if we go mudding or anywhere with seaweed, it won't be fun. So, no. Oh my god. If you guys know me at all, I hate snow. I think it's stupid, and there's barely any on the ground, but I hate it. I have to go to the gas station because Gabe is working on his axles and he's hungry, so guess I'm getting food. I also have to get Logan a tea. Snow does make my truck look pretty, but I hate it. Wow. Hopefully I freaking make it. I know! God! Fantastic! It's snowing even more! You look professional now. Okay. One glove. I don't know how that got there. No idea. All right, we're walking to my truck so I can show you guys something real quick. Let's turn on my flash real quick. Also disclaimer, soot. We think the thing to my up pipe, why does it look foggy? Whatever. We think the header, whatever the hell, to my up pipe is broken, or I'm possibly having exhaust leak, but I'm getting new stocks and everything hopefully soon, so all that's gonna happen. But actually, yeah, I should probably explain. I'm ending my video here because my next video we're gonna be fixing that, because shocks are not supposed to do that, and Logan said I could bring my truck in the shop and he'll show me how to fix it. So yeah. Also, I have like a scab on my lip. Get over it. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here so I can get this one up, and then I can have more of my next video be about fixing my shock. I think that makes a little bit more sense instead of just like, my shock's broken, fixed it. Like, you guys understand. See you guys in the next one. Weep weep.